Halo, selamat pagi, selamat siang. Em, dari informasi yang saya dapat, masih ada banyak yang kebingungan dengan apa namanya, bagaimana trading dengan SS. Oke, saya coba kasih sedikit bagaimana sih menganalisis dari candle itu dengan ya sedikit, bukan sedikit malah banyak deh kayaknya, dengan CR7. Oke. According to the information that I got, there is some there is still confusing how to analyze the candle and trading with the SS. Okay, today I will give you let's see, this one means CR7 for level 1. Ya, bagaimana trading dengan menggunakan CR7 di level 1. Oke. It's the basic. When you see an SNR here, and then a candle always like this, going up and then down and then up. There is no candle like this, boom 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 boom, no, and then dun 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 boom boom, no. Always like this. Sometimes like this, and then up, and then down, down, up, down, down, something like that. Okay, when there is a candle like this, whoosh, and then whoosh, everyone in the world will reach easily. Oke, jadi candle itu tidak ada yang lempeng, tuh nggak ada. Terus turun tuh nggak ada. Yang ada begini, up and down, nyelusuri. Bahkan kadang turun terus naik, turun lagi terus naik, baru di sini dia turun terus begini, terus naik turun naik turun naik turun, berdasarkan dari transaksi buy and sell dari traders. Oke, kita balik ke sini. Ini basic awalnya yang harus dipahami kawan-kawan. Ini misalkan SNR, jika dia naik terus turun lagi, ini pertanyaanku selalu sama, mau kemana dia? We don't know. Bisa dia mentul ke bawah dan lanjut ke bawah, bisa juga mentul lagi ke sini, baru dia tembus terus kemana? Bisa ke sini lagi, baru ke sini, bisa juga ke sini, atau dia bisa langsung tembus, bisa langsung ke sini, tembus ke sini, atau ke sini, atau ini begini. Oke. Berapa probability-nya? Masing-masing ada 2. Even up or down the probability. Okay? We don't know. This is our job. This is our job is predicting where are they going. Okay? Ini tugas kita bagaimana tugas kita bukan melototin berapa dolar yang ada di sini, tapi kita memelototin pada candle. Ini yang kadang membedakan antara trading dengan akun demo dan akun real. Kalau akun demo rasanya gampang banget, tapi pada saat akun real, ampun dah, tobat. Tuh, oke. Our job is predict the movement, where are they going, and what is the next candle. Our job is not predicting the watching the dollar that we have here, but our job is predict the watching the candle movement, where are they going. This is the key. Okay, let's go to okay, I'll open up. That's why I'll keep this dollar that I have it hide, just to avoid my eyes watching the dollar over there. Jadi Kenapa saya sering tutup di sini, karena kalau saya trading juga saya tutup karena saya juga manusia, nggak ada yang perfect. Pasti ada loss, pasti ada win. Tinggal bagaimana kita mengelola itu semua. Oke. Okay, it's OTC. Oh my god. As you all know that we have to avoid the zombie zone. This is zombie zone. It's quite. Yes, we can touch on this zombie zone, but it's without any other knowledge that we have to avoid to trade on this zombie zone. I already have the video about that one. Jadi kalau bisa hindari dulu untuk zombie zone. Zombie zone is everywhere, so lebih baik dihindari. Oke. Yes. Di level 1 ada SS1, 2, 3 dan SS kawan-kawan itu ada semua. Oke. Alright. It's too late already. Ini udah telat, sudah sampai di tujuan. Yang kedua, bagaimana kita trading dengan SS? Kita tahu dulu arahnya dia mau kemana. Dari sini dia mau ke sini. Tujuannya ini targetnya. Okay, I think it's good. Very good example. Is this SS1? Yes, but you know, it's quite dangerous. Why? Because there is a big green here. Okay, I'll take you. It can be red for the next candle, but I would prefer not to trade on this kind of SS1. Take picture. Okay. Here's the logic. It's right to going down. What is the pen? Is the fancy one? This one? It's better. Dia turun, sini turun, baru dari zombie. Okay, and then boom up. Dia tertahan area mungkin di sebelah sana, nanti kita cek. Bisa diindikasikan dengan adanya ini. Dia tertahan di sini. Dia mau turun. Oke, dia sudah saat turun. Mau kemana? Target dia adalah sini atau sini. Tapi dia juga kita punya up-nya di sini. Jadi SNR ini 1, 2, 3. Oke, di sini mantul. Boom. Nah, tahu arahnya mau kemana? Yes, potensinya dia mau ke sini. Nah, kalau kita trading ini dengan SS1, apalagi ini bentuknya mirip hammer, maka beresiko. Paham? Ini arahnya ke atas, terus kita put di sini. Why? Untuk ini. Makanya aku bilang kita jangan hanya melihat bentuk, karena kita tidak trading dengan bentuk, tapi SS1 adalah bentuk reaksi umum dari semua SS, bentuk reaksi umum dari pergerakan candle. Okay, it started to going down here, down. Where is the fancy color? This one? No. Well, this one. Down, and then become zombie here, and then down. Boom, started going up. Where are they going? It stopped it in here because this is an R, and then going down. Who stopped this, guys? Here. Where are they stopping area? Here. It can be in here. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. And then it's bounced from here. Where are they going? This level. Okay. And then when you saw there is it looks like going down. There is a green candle and red candle, and then it look like SS1. That's why I always say that do not memorize the form of the SS, but you have to understand the logic. So this one is started to going up. Where are they going? To here. And then we put in here, it's highly dangerous. I would prefer when they are going up, yes, we have to call. When we saw the SS1. That's the logic. Look at this. Okay, now it's already reaching this line. Already reaching here. Oh my gosh, my daughter's back. I wish they are not disturbing me here, and started to going down to here. You don't have to create so many lines. Just look at the line here, its movement. Jadi nggak perlu digaris terlalu banyak, nanti tambah pusing. Dilihat saja bagaimana responnya. Lihat, target dia bisa ini, bisa juga yang ini pucuknya. It can be here or here. Look at this, how to react. They react to this one. If it there is an SS2 in here, it's highly potential will going up, because it's starting to up and down. I wish there is SS2 in here. Oh no, it started to red, right? No SS2. Wait, how they will fight to this area. Okay, this is the strong SNR. This is SNR also. We call it MSNR. The changing from the red to green, green to red. That the MSNR. Look at this. Waiting this candle. Where are they going? Look at this. How they react to this candle. Okay, it's mean this candle started to going down, but is hold it by this line, by this SNR. Oh my god, I was too late. This is SS only for level 3. highly potential. I will call it. I will down a little bit now lah. Okay, but we don't know, we only predict. Oh, look at that, that was wrong. No problem, that's why we have money management. But it's highly potential will reverse. Let's see then. Oh my gosh, it looked like strong. It's fighting. It come doji, I think. Okay, thank you. Look at that. Jadi pada saat dia mau turun ke arah bawah, terhambat di sini, lalu dia hanya menghasilkan candle seperti ini. Candle ini tahanannya seperti ini, hanya menghasilkan candle hijau kecil. So kita tunggu di sini. Yang sabar sambil rokok-rokok. Oh lihat, sambil lihat ini. Ini juga bagian bawahnya punya kekuatan di sini. Itu sebabnya saya nggak pengen semuanya digaris. Loh, lihat. Dia berusaha struggling untuk menembus ini. Gak usah terlalu banyak digaris, biarin. Gimana dia bereaksi? Ketendang lagi ke atas. SSYA telat. Tapi nggak apa-apa. SSYA. But it's agak sedikit berbahaya because here, di sini dia takutnya dapat pantulan, bener dia ke atas, dapat pantulan turunnya di bawah. It's quite dangerous because it's quite close to this. Look at this. This is the bouncing line for this. Oh gosh. This is the bouncing line. This is the bouncing line also, right? For these candles. It can be an SSYA, but it's quite dangerous when it's tried to going up and then boom. Ternyata tadi aku lihat agak sedikit. Okay, very good. SSYA. That was too late. Is this SS2? No. SS2 when it started to red and then green like this, it can be yes. But we have to see the above. Okay. Habis we can see the SS2 letter. Wait. Look at this candle. Where are they going? They are going to this line, or this line, because sometimes they respect the tail or the head or the closing. And look at this one, how they react to this MSNR. Boom. Oh gosh. It look here, and then it started to going down. There is no asset yet. Wait. Okay, started going down. Look at this, it's already past it. Ini udah kelewatan. Yang ini dia sekarang stop di sini, dan aku berharap dia sudah mulai naik. Look, dia ditahan di sini sama ini. Kayaknya kalau ngobrol gini bagus kayak radio ya. tes ya. Oh, naik. Wow. Oke. Naik udah sampai di sini. Oh, tak mampu dia naik. Kita lihat, dia coba mau turun tapi kehajar ke atas. Siapa yang punya power? Bayar. Targetnya mana? Sini. Ini sisa bayar. Perjuangan bayar menghasilkan ekor si merah. Oke. Wih, better wait. Tuh lihat, dia ketahan di sini terus tendang turun lagi. Oke. Sepertinya dia sudah mulai memantul menuju ke arah bawah untuk melanjutkan perjalanan menuju ke bawah. Oh no. Lihat usaha dari buyer begitu kencang sekali. Okay. It started to go up. Seller trying to push it back down to here, but fail. It's become what's this, a hammer, and then down again, and then buyer fighting back here, and then is there any big SNR? No, it's okay. And then where are they going? Going to this line. Okay, there are two lines that you have to be aware using this trend line also. Was that good? Can be like that, can be like this. There, you have to be careful with that one. So we don't think that it will going up, but it will stop it by this line. It's around here. It can be red or small candle only, but not exit from this tip because of this line. Okay, it started to going down. The big boy going down. Okay, big boy started going down. Oops, that's too look. Oh no, that's what I said to you. Oh no, it's another hammer. Just let it be. Biarin aja kalau udah bentuknya hammer, tunggu aja. Tunggu saja. Lihat dari sini kira-kira sebenarnya nggak perlu digaris semua. Tiga prediksi dari sini ke sini nih. Oh, oke, ada kelihatan kayaknya. Ini sudah pas sampai di sini ya sudah. Soalnya kalau pakai garis kita kadang kepedean. I would prefer not using a line because sometimes we are overconfident with the line. Oh, look at this. Seller keep trying to fight. Big buyer back and then seller's back, buyer, boom, buyer again fighting the sellers. Where are they going? Now it seems change the direction. They are going to this line, going to here. Okay, they are going to here, but we have to careful with this. Sorry, we are going to here. Oh, look at that. Buyer keep fighting in here. Okay, look, they already reached to this zombie in here. Look at this. Dia udah nyampe di sini. Nah, ini kan banyak sekali candle kepentung di sini. Ini potensinya juga akan kepentung. Lalu apakah ini akan mentul naik? We don't know. Tapi potensi. Oh, dia tembus. Tapi dia kan punya target ke sini. Ini bukan SS. Sudahlah, sing sabar, nggak usah trading semua candle. Sabar aja, tunggu. Lihat dia sampai di sini. Lihat bagaimana dia sampai nyentuh, tendang, kayak tembok. Okay, touch and then kick, touch and kick. Oh, they already passed it. Where are they going? Going to this line. So I will move it to this here. Okay. Oh, it's big, very big. Also recognize this. So it's highly potential. It touch here when it's SS2. Okay, when it's SS2, it's highly potential will revert. Where are they going? Oh gosh, see, you have this one, this line, trend line, and you have this horizontal line. Jadi lihat ini langsung otomatis mata kita harus cepet jeli, ceret ngeliatnya. Lalu di sini ada SNR kuat, ini SNR kuat. Bolehlah trading di sini dengan call. Telat cuma tadi entryku. Highly potential, tapi paling aman paskan di garisnya pada saat dia menyentuh garis di sini, lebih aman. Karena kadang candle itu akan menuju ke bawah sedikit. Dia bikin menunjukkan perlawanan terakhir, itu yang rada mengerikan. Oke, habis juga top point. Udah sampai di garis di sini, lalu dia naik, boom, lihat dia menghadapi yang ada di sini. Oke, kini aku buang. Oke, I wish you understand my point. It started to, where are they going? This, whoosh. Here to go to this one and to go to this line. but there is no SS yet. We better wait. But I think I wish you got my point here about how to trade with SS in here. When you see SS2 in here, it's highly potential will bounce. But this is not SS2. Okay. Okay, started to going up. This is the basic. That's why for you all, please be patient from level 1 to 3 before you learn the CR7 and the others. Step by step, please. Oh, look at this. It started to touch this area here and then going down and touch this line again. Look at this. Look. Oof. It's already crossing. Is this SS3? It can be yes. Where are they going? They're going to down here. Oh no. Is this SS2? Can be yes. So oh, how? Wait, yes, this is SS3. Not because it's already crossing. I just see the power from this seller in here. It's quite strong. Let's take this candle, this line to this line. I was told it to enter. It can be yes, an SS3. Where are they going? To this line. Okay, I will move this line to here and delete this one. Instead, too many lines. Okay. Oh my. Down again. Yes, over there. Okay. Why is it SS3? Big boy going down, and they already it's going down to here, up and down in here, and then up in here, and then down and trying to reach here, and then bouncing down. Where are they going? They're going to down. That's why I believe it will become SS3. What is the logic there? SS3. Okay. SS3 in simple ways, just like this. Boom. Okay. And then retrace a little bit. And then where are they going? Yes. Candle always like this. Jadi SS3 seperti apa? Jadi begini naik, terhambat sedikit, dia turun bikin candle merah, lalu dia ngelebihi lagi. Tapi ingat, we have to understand where are they going. Okay, started to going up and then down and up and then down and then up over there. SS1 juga sama, selama di jaraknya jauh, dia SS1 itu menandakan bahwa masih ada sisa sedikit dari perlawanan dari seller kalau naik ya. Tuh. Oke, dia udah nyampe tapi cuma ekor. Lebih baik kita tunggu dengan sabar, subur. Lalu dia mau kemana? It's too big. Lalu kita coba, Gua coba buat garis trendline di sini. Ya. Tujuan dia tetap ke atas. Oke. Tidak ada SS. Oh, sepertinya berubah udah. Begini. Cari yang terdekat saja. Oke, dia turun, bum bam di situ. Sampai garis sini kah dia mampukah tidakkah? Lihat, lihat. Oh, oh, sepertinya tembus. Masih berat, masih berat. Oke, siapa yang bikin dia berhenti? Sini. Who stop this guy? Coba kita benerin garisnya. Oke, dia sudah tidak respect. Kita lihat bagaimana reaksinya. Dia sepertinya sudah mulai balik arah. Lihat dengan garis SNR yang ada di sini. Di sini di respect, di sini di respect. Lihat dia menuju ke sini. Oke, belum nyampe. Masih cukup waktu. Lihat tekanan dari area sini. Ups, bisa juga di sini. Kalau bisa buat garis imajiner aja ya, sambil belajar. Ingat level 1, 2, 3 itu masih proses belajar. Jangan terlalu hambur-hamburkan uang kita. Walaupun uang kita banyak, harus step by step. Oke, lihat tendangan tanpa alasan dari atas, nggak cetil. Nah, oke, berarti dia masih respect area sini nih. Ini kan kelihatan membentuk tren seperti ini. Berarti going ke bawah, batunya ke bawah. Tapi dia dekat dengan sini. Kalau sampai di sini, tung, dia ternyata besar mentul lagi ke atas. Ini garis di sini nih. Nah, lihat, bisa jadi di ke atas. Itu sebabnya kita yang awal-awal masih pakai SS. Oh sorry, ini juga ada garis di sini. Menggunakan SS supaya belajar sabar juga untuk pilih yang pasti-pasti dulu aja. Oke, look at this, how they react to this line. Boom, and reach this line. Then where are they going? Is there any SS there? No. No SS yet. Oke, ditolak lagi sama ini. Terus mau kemana? Mau naik tuh turun? We don't know. Kita tunggu. Tunggu dapat yang pasti. SSIS. SSIS level piro? Ambolah. 2 kayaknya. Ini kita untuk SS1. SS1, 2, 3. Oh, ini SSIS, ini SSIA. Tapi ini kurang mirip hammer. Sorry, ketinggalan, lupa. Okay. It started to going down again. Oops, going up. Is this SS1? No, because it's looked like going down. I would prefer to wait. It started up and down and up and down and up and down, and it's channeling now. So we have to wait until this confirm that it's channeling. Jadi tunggu dulu sampai ini benar-benar kelihatan channeling. Walaupun ini jadi SS1, biarin, gak usah disesalin. Even though it's SS1, oh don't regret. It's okay. There are a lot opportunity to trade. Jadi kalau misalkan itu jadi sesuatu, biarin, tunggu konfirmasi dulu di sampai channeling. Ini kan sudah mulai it started to going up and down, it's channeling, and then it started to sideways from here, down, up and down here. So we have to be aware with that one. Come on, trading is always interesting. Look at that. Where are they going? It's up. It highly potential will reach this line. But when it started to going down, I think maybe wait until reach. Okay, you better wait. Down, okay. Look at that. As long as we know where are they going, it's easy for you to trade. Look here, it started to bouncing from this line. It looked like a channel. It is like a river. You know river? Let's say river like this. A candle always like this. Okay, but there are but there are many logs also in the river. Jadi di sungai juga seperti sungai, aliran sungai, dia naik turun seperti ini. Tapi ada banyak kayu juga di sungai, sehingga dia pada saat naik ke sini, and then up here, and then boom here, and there is small log in here, and then boom, something like that, and then reach this one, something. Yes, you got my point? Something like that. As simple like that. Jadi seperti itu aja. Jadi seperti sungai, tapi di sungai itu banyak kayu, sehingga pada saat mau bergerak ke tepi sungai sebelahnya ke sini, tapi di sini ada hambatan kayu di sini. Ini kayu, di sini kayu. Kurang lebih seperti itu, sehingga montal-mantulnya seperti ini. Nah, start to going up. Not yet. Oh, it's quite dangerous, but let's see, so you can understand better how to read the chart. Remember, this is not some people said it's price action. You know what, when you trade with price, look at the right here. This is the price. What we have here is a candle reaction. Yes, candle react based on the price, but we never see the price in here. This is the price. We only see the candle, how they react. This is the candle reaction, not the price action. It's different. We are not using well, it's just okay. It's look like to going down here. It's continuing the channel down, boom. This is what I said before. When it's past it, where are they going? Are they going down? Are they continue? No, we don't know. We better wait. Is this SS2? No. Why? Because this is not at the bouncing line. When you find the SS2 it's around here or here, yes, that will become SS2. Very good. Remember that one. SS2 can be in the bouncing line only. Sorry. So this is SS1? No, we have to wait. Where are they going? You remember this one? Oops, sorry. Oh, what's up? Remember that one. Always remember something around here. Oops, sorry. Too many line? Sorry. Just to remember, just to remind you. Okay, and then after that we can change. Oh no, it's okay. It's still respected in here. Yeah, maybe we can change to this line to here. There. Okay, we better wait. Why we are not trading with this one? We better wait. Look at this, it started to green red. Zombie zone. We better wait until we can see the very good candles to see our SS over there. Wait, I think it's after this, it highly potential will become red, then jump passing to this line. Oh, okay. After this. Well, wait, 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 wait. If it's not good, you can change to other chart. Ah, it's very good also. Look at this. It started channeling. This is SS2. This is SS2. Very good SS2. Started to channeling here SS2. It is SS1. As long as I told you that as long as we know where they're going, it will working very well. This one, why is it fail? Remember, where is the strongest SNR? Here, 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 and it's respected. But there, it's SS1. It's quite dangerous because too close to the bunching line. And look at this one. This is SS3. You say this is SS3. It's quite dangerous because it's in the bunching line. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. Look at the. Oh, that's why I told you that it will become red, then touching, and then it seems it's only become dodgy. It seems it will continue their journey to go up. Let's see. Are they crossing this line or not? Let's see. Look at this. It's just like a river going down and then going up and then down here and then going up. And there are so many logs in here, up and down, and then boom to this side and then started to going up. Okay, I wish you got my point here. Oh, look at that. It started to reach the other side of the river. After this one is going up. Okay, I wish you got my point. I like it. Oh, it's a lot. Okay. Oh, there. I think I have to stop now. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye. Candle and not this one anymore. That's how to draw the line. Oh gosh. And are they going to this line or this line? Or look at this one. Jadi kadang kita juga harus menggunakan garis-garis yang banyak modelnya, karena kadang kita tidak tahu mana yang dipakai oleh para traders umumnya. Okay, it seems. Is there SS2? Look. Wait. I think so. Okay. Going up a little bit. Yes lah. According to this one, 1, 2, 3. But be careful with this one. When it touches this line too early, and then there is buyer in here start to buy from here, and then they will go on. my god. There. Why? Sorry. Kenapa aku ngambilnya tadi agak sedikit naik? Nih. Sebenarnya berharap dia naik ke sini dulu tadi, nggak keburu. Dibiarin naik, diambil karena ini terlalu besar. Two big candles. Because I saw there are two big candles. I'm afraid when they and also the distance between this closing price to the SNR, you know, SNR can be here and here, right? This is the strongest also SNR here. Sorry, one by one. Jadi kenapa di sini? Karena aku ngeliat ini terlalu besar. Lalu bahayanya pada saat dia sudah menyentuh area sini, betul, lihat di sini, dia sudah menyentuh ini SNR di sini, dia dapat dorongan buyer ke atas. Makanya aku cari yang lebih aman ke sini. Karena indikasi SS2 itu adalah indikasi melanjutkan yang cukup kuat. Masih mending. Biasanya kalau terlalu dekat dengan ini, yang terjadi bentuknya doji. That's why I took trade from here, because I'm afraid when they already reach this too early and then there's a buyer here, smack it back up to here. So I would prefer to take the trade from around here actually, but there was the candle is not reaching this line yet. Okay. Because the SS2, it's indicate there is strong power to continue, like from reversal, but it's too big. It's not ideal for SS2. Anyway, look at this. It look like in here the market playing. Ini yang menarik. Sepertinya pasar melihatnya adalah garis yang ini. Lihat, ini sudah mulai turun, ini mulai datar. Oke. Nah, baru setelah ini mungkin ada breakout dan tung panjang. Kita lihat reaksinya di sini. Ini udah mulai menyempit kan, membentuk segitiga. The wedges. It look like after this, when it's break out already, they will become very strong movement. I don't know, maybe going up, maybe going down. It's quite strong, but it look like started to going up to reach this line here. It's strong. After it started to going down and then it's flat. Look at this, it's big candle, right? After this, it's like squeeze from this range, then smaller, and then boom, it will become a big breakout. But still, they have to consider the SNR. Look at that, the power of squeezing. Lihat, setelah ini mengerucut, ini turun, ini datar, wah, berikutnya akan ada candle gede banget. Kalau di forex kita enak banget pakai ini. Boom, bisa nanti langsung take profit di mana. Anyway, kita lihat, oh, seller from here also fight back. Remember, this one is very strong SNR. Ingatkan di sini tadi strong SNR. Oke. Ini masih dipakai nggak nih? Kita lihat dulu deh. Tunggu dia turun. Dia mau kemana? Is this SS2? No. SS2 only powerful at yes, in bunching line, but in channeling or sideway. We have no idea, even though there is SNR here, strong SNR. Jadi walaupun ini SS1, jangan tidak disarankan. SS2 tidak disarankan untuk, karena saya khawatir akan ada misperception nanti. Lihat, buyer kuat datang, lalu seller balik, dihajar lagi, boom sampai di sini, lalu muncul lagi ke sini. Wah, sellernya kuat banget berarti yang di sini. Dia langsung ngebales. Okay. We have no idea where are they going. Beda wait, lihat dia bereaksi dengan sini, boom. Lihat how they react to this line. Okay, they already cross it. Look, this is the strongest SNR. Boom, over there. Here, who's making it? Here, someone who's sitting here. You better wait. Is this SS1? Yes, but dangerous. Oh my, oh my. Is this SS3? No, this is SS1, but dangerous, 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 because this one, it's a very strong bunching line. I would prefer not. If it's so, I can trade call when this candle reach this line. Jadi ini SS1 ya, karena dianggap ini merahnya 2 ini jadiin 1 aja. Potensinya memang akan naik, cuman berbahaya. Sebelum kita paham benar, berbahaya kenapa? Karena ini area pantul yang sangat kuat. Lihat di sini ketahan, banyak sekali ketahan. Lebih baik kita memanfaatkan SNR kecil yang ada di sini untuk bikin merah di sini nanti. Lebih baik kita sabar. Gak apa-apa, karena channel tidak bisa kita tebak pakai dukun, pakai ahli nujum enggak. Dan di sini dia menghasilkan SNR kuat, di sini menghasilkan kuat, ngeri banget. Ketoh. Lihat balasannya, dia sampai turun lagi ke sini. Ini untung baru muncul sekarang. Kalau tadi munculnya selesailah. Karena siapa yang bikin di sini? Pak D yang ada di sini. Pak D-nya nih ada di sini semua nih. Look. Oke, jadi mulai sedikit, aku berharap mulai sedikit paham seperti apa caranya trading dengan SS 1, 2, 3. Oke, ini menarik. Yang terkuat sudah kita selesaikan. Yang ini sekarang aku berharap di sini juga ada muncul SS. Kita lihat. Duh, kenapa nggak ada ekornya? Oke, SS3 kah? This is strong SNR in here. Oke. Jangan lupa ini sambil dilihat garisnya ke arah atas nih. Ini buat patokan saja. Masih memungkinkankah untuk satu space, satu candle? Cukup. Berarti ini sudah yang terkuat sudah lewat, potensi kalau dia sampai mentok ke sini ya mohon maaf, cari amannya dia turun dulu sampai yes di situ. Bahkan tambah satu lagu juga boleh. Kalau sudah mulai berani turun ke situ, potensinya dia akan karena di sini kemungkinannya akan ngebentuk candle hijau kecil. Wah, malah turun lagi. Dari mana rumusnya? Karena jaraknya ya kalau kita kasih garis itu tidak terlalu besar. Ya semoga tidak terlalu besar banget tenaga sellernya. Kalau besar, ludes deh 10.000 akun turnamen. Ayo naik. Gitu dong, manut. Loh, doji pak. Oh, bukan. Candle sangat kecil. Itu yang ku bilang. Jadi kita memanfaatkan ini SS3. Sangat cakep sekali. Oke, where are they going? Kemana mereka mau pergi? Kita tandain ini. Garis ini tetap kita pertimbangkan. It's too big. Biarin dulu. Jadi cari amannya dulu karena kita space, kita yakin energi buyer di sini ada besar, maka tunggu dia turun lagi baru kita trading di situ. Oke, dia sudah mau nyampe.